Hi, my name is Keisha, aka KG Fresh, and I've been DJing for about a year and a half now. I've always loved music, and I always felt like I had the ability to let people enjoy what I like to enjoy. I love playing dancehall. I love Afro beats, hip hop, R&B. I'm looking forward to continuing to get better. My main mission is scratching, and I want to get better at it, and I just want to keep going and not giving up on this. It's going to be discouraging a bit, and you're going to come across moments where you don't want to do it and you don't want to put the time in, but just try and put the time in and try to stay focused, and don't let people bring you down if they want to tell you DJing isn't a career or anything like that. Just believe in yourself and know that what you want, you can do it.